Keto or carnivore? Battle of the restrictive diets. Hey there, fellow food fanatics. Are you ready to get into the nitty-gritty of two of the hottest, most restrictive diets out there, keto and carnivore? These plans have a lot in common, but there are some significant differences that could make or break your culinary journey. If you're as hyped about food as I am, you're going to want to stick around and find out which of these diets is the best fit for you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are these diets? Think of the ketogenic diet, or keto for short, as a low-carb, high-fat approach to eating. It's all about drastically reducing your carb intake and putting your body into a state called ketosis. In this state, your body burns fat for fuel instead of its typical go-to, glucose from carbohydrates. The carnivore diet takes things a step further. It's the ultimate elimination diet, where you eat only animal products, meat, fish, eggs, and sometimes a bit of dairy. Yep, no more fruits, veggies, or grains. Keto versus carnivore, similarities. Both keto and carnivore diets aim to achieve ketosis and can lead to weight loss. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, a major bonus for folks with diabetes or insulin resistance. Keto versus carnivore, key differences. The biggest difference is the food variety. Keto allows for a wider array of ingredients, including low-carb veggies, nuts, seeds, and some fruits like berries. The carnivore diet is extremely limited, focusing solely on animal products. This difference also influences potential nutrient deficiencies. On a carnivore diet, you'll likely miss out on important vitamins, minerals, and fiber found in plant foods. Keto allows for more diversity, making it a bit more sustainable as a long-term eating plan. Now, let's talk about the fun part, cooking. Let's be real, both keto and carnivore diets can be a bit challenging. With a little creativity and my expert tips, you can transform them into delicious and satisfying meals. Keto-friendly delights. Creamy mushroom and spinach chicken. This is a flavor bomb. Sautéed chicken breasts with a creamy sauce made from mushrooms, spinach, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, ½ cup fresh spinach, ½ cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Keto-fied pizza. Who says you can't have pizza on keto? Ditch the traditional crust and try our cauliflower pizza. It's crispy, cheesy, and totally satisfying. You can even customize it with your favorite toppings. Ingredients: 1 head of cauliflower, rice, 1 egg, ½ cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, ½ a teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, your favorite pizza toppings, pepperoni, sausage, olives, etc. Carnivore approved feasts. Juicy ribeye steak, a carnivore's dream come true. Season your steak generously with salt and pepper and cook it to your preferred doneness. Add a pat of butter on top for extra richness. Simple yet incredibly satisfying. Serves 1 to 2. Ingredients: 1 ribeye steak, about 12 ounces, salt and pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon butter, optional. Bacon and egg scramble, perfect for a quick and easy breakfast or a protein-packed snack. It's basic but delicious. Ingredients: 4 slices of bacon, chopped. 3 large eggs. Salt and pepper to taste. Important considerations. Before you jump into either diet, make sure you talk to a healthcare professional. It's crucial to make sure these diets are right for you and address any potential health concerns. Transitioning into either keto or carnivore isn't always a walk in the park. You might experience some temporary side effects like fatigue, headaches, or the dreaded keto flu. So, who wins the keto versus carnivore showdown? Well, it depends on your individual goals and needs. If you're looking for a more long-term, sustainable eating pattern with a bit more flexibility, keto might be the way to go. If you have digestive issues or want to try an extreme elimination diet, carnivore might be worth exploring under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Here, We believe that delicious, healthy eating doesn't have to be restrictive or boring.